Confederate Motorcycles has always been a name synonymous with power, exclusivity, and a radical approach to motorcycle design. Founded in 1991, this brand has stood out in the motorcycle world for its rebellious spirit and commitment to crafting some of the most unique and powerful machines ever seen on two wheels. Today, we are diving deep into the world of Confederate motorcycles, exploring their history, their iconic models, and what makes them so special. When you think about Confederate motorcycles, you think about craftsmanship and engineering that push the boundaries of conventional motorcycle design. These bikes are not just about speed or performance, they are an artistic expression of mechanical excellence. With each model, the company has redefined what a high-performance motorcycle can be, combining futuristic aesthetics with raw power. One of the most fascinating aspects of Confederate motorcycles is their commitment to using premium materials like aircraft-grade aluminum and carbon fiber. These materials ensure that the bikes are lightweight yet incredibly strong, giving them an unmatched power-to-weight ratio. The attention to detail in every bolt, weld, and finish is what separates these machines from the rest. Let's talk about some of the most iconic Confederate models that have taken the motorcycle world by storm. One of the most well-known is the Confederate Hellcat. First introduced in the late 1990s, the Hellcat became an instant classic due to its aggressive styling and powerful V-twin engine. Over the years, different versions of the Hellcat have been released, each one better than the last, pushing the limits of performance and design. Then there's the Confederate Wraith, a motorcycle that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Wraith features a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, which not only makes it incredibly lightweight but also enhances its futuristic appeal. With a high-performance V-twin engine and cutting-edge aerodynamics, the Wraith is a true masterpiece of engineering. Another legendary machine from Confederate is the P-51 Combat Fighter. This bike is a tribute to American military aviation, with its bold, industrial design and an engine that delivers an insane amount of power. The P-51 Combat Fighter is built from solid billet aluminum, making it one of the most durable and high-performance motorcycles ever created. But Confederate Motorcycles has not been without controversy. In 2017, the company decided to change its name to Curtiss Motorcycles, a move aimed at distancing itself from the Confederate name's historical associations. However, the original spirit of Confederate motorcycles still lives on in the high-performance bikes that Curtiss continues to produce today. While Curtiss has shifted its focus toward electric motorcycles, the legacy of Confederate's raw, combustion-powered beasts remains strong in the hearts of motorcycle enthusiasts. What truly sets Confederate motorcycles apart from mainstream brands is their exclusivity. These bikes are not mass-produced, they are handcrafted masterpieces made in limited numbers. Owning a Confederate motorcycle is like owning a piece of art, a machine that is as much about aesthetics as it is about performance. This exclusivity also means that Confederate motorcycles come with a hefty price tag, often ranging from tens of thousands to even over $100,000. The riding experience of a Confederate motorcycle is unlike anything else. With their powerful engines, rigid chassis, and aggressive ergonomics, these bikes are built for pure adrenaline-fueled rides. The roar of the V-twin engine, the precise handling, and the incredible acceleration make every ride an unforgettable experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking sharp turns on a winding road, a Confederate motorcycle delivers an unmatched level of thrill. Despite the shift to Curtiss motorcycles, there is still a strong demand for classic Confederate models in the used motorcycle market. Collectors and enthusiasts continue to seek out these machines, knowing that they are not just motorcycles but pieces of history. The resale value of Confederate motorcycles remains high, proving that their impact on the industry is long-lasting. For those who love motorcycles that break the mold, Confederate motorcycles will always hold a special place in the world of two-wheel machines. Their rebellious design philosophy, uncompromising performance, and dedication to quality make them one of the most unique motorcycle brands in history. Even as the industry moves toward electric mobility, the legacy of Confederate's raw power and stunning craftsmanship will never fade. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about Confederate motorcycles, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting motorcycle content. Let me know in the comments which Confederate model is your favorite and why. I'll see you in the next video.